If a country needs large factories for its development, then Brazil can be proud of Fame, a truly Brazilian company pioneering in the production of water heating appliances and electrical components. Fame is Brazil's brand. It's been present in millions of homes for over 80 years, with showers, electric taps, and a wide range of electrical components, such as switches, plugs, and sockets. Fame was established in 1940 in a 15-square-meter facility in São Paulo by its founder Álvaro Coelho Silva. It initially manufactured soldering irons and electric showers. In the following decades, up to the present day, Fame has gained a reputation for the quality of its products and has continuously invested and expanded in all its business areas. In addition to expanding its product line, it has innovated with every launch. Fame is headquartered in the Belenzinho neighborhood of São Paulo and has two other plants in Sabaúna and Cesar de Sousa, both in Mogi das Cruzes. Its newest plant is being upgraded and is one of the largest investments ever. Fame has a team of specialized and trained professionals and modern and innovative technology in all product lines, guaranteeing a high daily production capacity. State-of-the-art machinery and equipment ensure accurate results in converting raw materials into products that undergo strict quality control in its own laboratory, all to effectively meet the high-quality expectations of its customers. Offering quality after-sales is also a priority for Fame. With a highly trained team, customers are guaranteed the best support. Fame stands out in the construction industry. It has over 30,000 customers, including large resellers, home centers, building materials stores, and construction companies who count on a trained sales and logistics team to offer the best solutions, POS service, and support to develop win-win partnerships. With a history of manufacturing durable, quality products, Fame is well recognized and respected among resellers, specifiers, and customers, and it's gaining worldwide recognition. Fame is currently present in over 40 countries, especially in Latin America, Africa, and Asia, and it plans to continue innovating and expanding operations around the world. Fame is proud of its 80-year journey of challenges and achievements. Thanks to the effort, commitment, and dedication of its employees. And its journey of achievements will continue with a strong commitment to quality and, above all, excellence, which is part of its DNA. Fame, 80 years pioneering and making history.